Welcome to the channel. I want to say thanks to all of you guys who have subscribed to the channel. The channel is growing up every day. I really appreciate it. It's been a day since I pulled the engine out. Actually, this is the next day from I record the last video. I want to do a big shout out to the C1 Motorsports guys. They did a really great job on the shipping of this stuff, because I was expecting like 3 days delivery, but I just when I went to the front door of my house today, this thing was sitting in there already. So basically it came out for the next day, which is good. I was thinking of work on the I was expecting to work on the 240, pulling the SR20 out, but since I already got the parts in here, I'm gonna do the unboxing. I'm gonna do the unboxing on it and then start working on the transmission, get it clean, get it ready. Probably gonna be starting removing the timing and also the removing the intake manifold and probably the turbos. But this thing is gonna need more stuff than I expected. I chose order the valve seal. There is a guy who's helping me out with this engine. Probably you guys already know him. His name is Oscar Rodriguez. Such a nice guy. He's got his business. He only work on 300 CX or Nissan, I think. And I'm gonna leave the link of his Facebook here down here, and his Instagram, because he's such a nice guy. He gave me a lot of advice on these engines since he's been working on the 300 CX or the BG30 for a long time, and he has a lot of knowledge on this thing. I'm still new on this engine. I'm still new on these cars, but with guys like him, we learn a lot. I really appreciate all the help. Stop by his page, stop by his Instagram, or if you live somewhere around Florida, you can stop by his shop. All right. Right here we have the timing kit, we have the oil pump, we have some other stuff in here, and right here we have the tein coilovers. That's what we're gonna pull them out today. Hopefully some of my videos will really help some people out there, because these engines or this car is getting rare every single day, and not anybody knows how to work on them. And basically almost every single owner on 300 CX, they start working on their own car, doing their own stuff. So that's one of the reasons that I like to share some video. Hopefully all the videos has been done like very clear and specific with the stuff. I still gotta learn a lot of stuff on this thing, but we are gonna learn on the way there. We're gonna learn on the process of building this engine or building this car. All right, I'm gonna open this thing up and open this. I'm gonna start with this because since this is like a big box. All right, let's see what we have here. Back on the 2010, this was one of the best brand on suspensions, on coilovers. They're really good brand. They're really good brand, and also they last a little longer. I know there is a lot of different brands out there on merch, but for me, I will not. All of the car that I can own, I'm gonna have this on it. And here we go. Tein coilovers. There they are. I'm gonna make somebody happy with all this stuff. And here is the first baby. It calls tein flexi. Let's see what else. There is instruction, some sticker. Oh, this is cool. plastic sticker or whatever that is. Oh, it's too bad because all the manual comes on Japanese, I guess. Japanese language. I'm pretty sure they don't have any I don't have any sheet with Spanish language. Got English language. Yeah, it has the English language. That's it. I guess in Mexico we don't buy this thing. That's crazy. It looks good though, but no idea what this shit says. Obviously, I'm not gonna put it on because I'm not the type of guy who puts sticker on the car. I just want to put my VZGarage sticker on it. That's it pretty much. See? And right here we have the timing kit, water pump, oil pump, and some seals. You don't need that. And here it is. No gift. There is nothing in here. No gift. All right. The water pump gasket, and this is the oil pump gasket. This is the water pump gasket. The remain seals. The seals are for the cam seals. This is the tensioner. Oh, this is the thermostat. The thermostat key, I guess. The crank seal. Another spring tension in here. Yeah. That is the timing bearing. One of the timing bearing. There's the second bearing. And water pump. Oh, this is the gear crank. Some C1 hoses. Kind of cool. And timing belt. Yep. Right here we have the tensioner. The maintain oil pump. This is like a common issue on the 300. The oil pump, and that's why the most of the time the car is making noises or tipping. Alright, now it looks more like it. Yeah. I still gotta do more cleanup, like more details. And this transmission, I'm probably gonna paint it to make it look a lot more better. Make it look way much better. Make it look better. And that's it. This thing is crazy. I think they forgot to put the knock sensor where it's supposed to be, and plus they did not connect this thing. I spoke with the with Oscar. With Oscar, he told me that this engine still can run it without it, without not connected or without that thing. I guess it's good. All right, now it looks a lot better. And I'm going to remove the trans. I never had a problem with the clutch on this car, but it seems like it is time to replace it. It's already burned. See this? This is bad. The flywheel is not bad. The fast seal is okay. But this is really bad. I think I have to get new clutch. Since I'm gonna do all this work, I gotta put more money on this thing. Hopefully I will sell it for the right price. Hopefully I will sell it for the right price. On the factory clutch, where you can see if it is bad or not, is in these spots in here, or these marks. This thing, I don't know what you call this thing, but the paste or the material is already gone. It's pretty close to be touching the this thing right here. I'm not quite sure what it's called, but it was pretty close. This thing almost died on the road. I was lucky, I guess. But this is bad. It looks like it's been replaced, but still, I already got them, so I'm gonna replace that too.